In this video, we'll show you how to put a YouTube video on repeat. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. This is great if there's a song you love or any video you want to play continuously. We'll walk you through the steps to set it up. First, find the video you want to repeat. For this example, I'll search for a video on a channel. Once you've selected the video, click to play it. Next, click on the video player and head to the top right corner, where you'll find a gear settings icon. Click on it, then scroll down and tap on additional settings. Look for the option that says loop video and toggle it on. Once activated, your video will loop. Now, as the video reaches its end, it will automatically restart due to the loop setting being on. As you can see, the video keeps playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.